Putting an eye mask on is one of my favorite things. They're cute, they're convenient, but I'm also going to show you guys how you can make this at home. So just like I have these cotton pads, you're going to cut this into half and then put it in a bowl like this, okay? Then you're going to grab like a toner that you have. I'm just using this as the one that I have on my face right now. Any toner kind of works, rice toner, but something that is hydrating. So you're going to dump this in a bowl of toner. You don't need a lot, and honestly, you can just put this on your eye area just like I'm doing it for the rest of my face, but for my eye area, I want a little bit of a booster. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this eye serum from The Ordinary's. 2 to 3 drops is enough. And then if you want some extra like booster, I'm going in with this peptide collagen booster. We love, love, love peptides for our eye area, so just go in with like a couple of drops of that, mix it together in this bowl. My boys kind of got cut off, but after that, you're just going to apply this thin layer on your eyes and leave this on for 15-20 minutes.